Hi there and welcome to ZDNet. Let's talk about how to clean and disinfect a humidifier. Did you know that your humidifier can actually be a breeding ground for bacteria growth and mold? Obviously, nobody wants to have that in their lungs, so knowing how to clean and disinfect your humidifier can be essential to prevent that. Here's how you do that. Take apart the removable pieces on your humidifier. Mine doesn't have a filter, but if your humidifier does have one, now's probably a good time to inspect it for wear and mold. If there is any mold, obviously just toss it and use a new one. Then we're going to wipe down the humidifier parts with white vinegar. I put mine in a spray bottle because it's just easier to apply, but you can also just soak a cleaning cloth or a paper towel and wipe down your parts. I will say this a lot, but be cautious to not get the humidifier motor wet or submerge it in water or cleaner at any point. This will kill the humidifier motor, effectively rendering it useless. So with the white vinegar, we're going to spray the inside and outside, and then we're going to add about 2 cups of the vinegar to the tank and put the cap back on. We're just going to swish the white vinegar around and then put the tank back on the base to let the vinegar soak in for about 20 minutes. This can help remove potential limescale buildup in the crevices of your humidifier, but don't turn it on with vinegar. That will cause irritation in your lungs, eyes, throat, and nose, so be careful. After about 20 minutes, let's rinse out the vinegar in the sink with fresh, clean water. This is pretty important because we're going to use bleach next, and you don't want to mix bleach and vinegar. So once you rinse the vinegar out of all of the removable parts, wipe down the base with a water-damp cloth or paper towel. Rinse out the cloth and repeat the process until all the vinegar is out, always making sure the motor doesn't get wet. After cleaning it with vinegar, we're going to disinfect the humidifier. Mix a 10-to-1 or 10% bleach solution. You can do this by adding 1 part bleach to 10 parts water. I have my mixture in a spray bottle again, and I'm going to wear gloves to apply it, as you should as well. Spray the bleach onto a clean cleaning cloth or paper towel and wipe down the humidifier parts, making sure to get into the crevices. You could also use an old toothbrush to reach the tight parts, but a cloth worked fine for mine. Then it's back to the sink to rinse out all the bleach. Make sure to thoroughly rinse the tank and wipe down the base with a water-soaked cloth several times over. Again, careful not to get the motor wet. Rinsing out all the bleach is essential. Any leftover bleach will be cycled in the humidifier in the next use, and it will be put out into the air, and you do not want to inhale bleach. After that's done, set your humidifier parts to air dry completely, and then you can reassemble it. And that's all you need to do to have a clean and disinfected humidifier.